What's going on, guys, and welcome to episode 3 of how to create a Discord bot. In this video is going to be quite short because in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a randomize command. So in the last episode we done an if statement, if ends with, so we're just going to get straight into it. This time we're just going to go back to if it includes. Let's do thank you. Alright, so if message includes thank you, we want it to give it a randomized output. So first we want to come up here, we want to do a line here, and we want to type const, and now you want to put in the name of the variable. You gotta know what this name is, so we're just gonna do thanks. That's what the variable is gonna be called. Then we're gonna do equals, and then we're gonna do square bracket, these marks, and then you're gonna type in the answers that you want. So thank you, no problem, so good, yeah, just anything really. You want to put a comma after all of these as well. You can just do this infinitely, you can just keep going. Yeah, so once you've made that, you want to come down here, you want to delete this, and you want to type in message.channel.send, and then this time we're going to do an open bracket, and then you're going to type in what you put there. So for example, thanks, and then you're going to do a square bracket, capital M, math dot lowercase floor, and then open bracket, and then you're going to do math dot random open bracket, and then you're going to go right one, and then you can do space asterisk, and then you're going to type in thanks again, or whatever you put there, and then dot length. Okay, and then end with a semicolon. You shouldn't get any issues. If you do, here's the code. Now basically it's just when this message includes thank you, it's going to the variable thanks, and it's giving you a random one. So let's put it to the test. So you're gonna Control S to save, go down to terminal, Control C, up, and or type node index.js, and then you should be up and running. So we're gonna load Discord again, and then we're gonna put thank you. Did I didn't put space. It doesn't work for edited messages. Okay, thank you, no problem. If we do it again, yeah, it's all good. Yeah, sometimes you do get the same response more than once, but yeah, we can do this. We can do this more than once with different variables. So we're gonna change this up and do like a fortune. So we're just gonna do wait, so for this example, we're gonna do the starts with again. So we're gonna ignore that for now. We're gonna come back down here and we're gonna do starts with. Now basically what we're doing is we want to type in a command and then something after it, like a question. So we're gonna do if message.content starts with, and then we are gonna add in like actual prefix and command handler later, but for now this is good enough if this is all you want. Okay, so what you're gonna do, starts with fortune, then it's gonna, you want to change these from thanks to fortune or whatever it was before, because these have to match that name up there. Okay, so now we got that, we're gonna do yes, no, maybe. Okay, so we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna restart the bot. Control C and up, and then enter. So we're gonna go back here, and then we're gonna type in fortune, am I amazing? Right? For example. And then it's gonna say maybe. Okay, now this is actually a question, so if we type this without a question mark, it's still gonna answer because it only needs that fortune command. But if we go over here and type, now we're gonna make it understand what a question is. So we're gonna move this down in front of message.channel, just like that. And then we're gonna go enter, and then we're gonna do another if bracket message dot content dot ends with this time, and then open and quote marks again, and then we're going to do a question mark. Now you could put anything here, so it's kind of like a second prefix if you want to look at it that way. So it will only answer if it starts with fortune and ends with a question mark. Now you can see down here it's got errors. So all you do, fix all fixable problems, and it sorts out. That was kind of my fault. But good thing we installed that EsLint, because that helped a lot with it right there. I can't talk. So yeah, good thing we installed that EsLint. Okay, so now if we save this and restart the bot and go back here and type fortune, am I cool, for example, it's not going to do anything. But then if we copy that and put a question mark, it's gonna say no. So yeah, this is basically 2 parameters that it has to follow in order to do that. Okay, so now that we've made a randomizer, I'm also going to show you how to set the activity of the bot. Because if you notice how, if we head onto my server right now, there's like these saying do that, listen to for help. So we're going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to come up to this one, right under console.log, and we're going to just hit enter, and then we're going to do client.user, and then we're going to do set activity, then we're going to do open bracket, and then you can literally type anything here. So it'll say playing, and then this, playing with JavaScript, for example. So then this is what you'll put after playing. So that's what it's gonna say after playing. Okay. So then you're gonna put a comma after that, and you're gonna do open squiggly bracket, type normal colon, quotes, and then right. So all of these come up. So you got custom status, listening, playing, streaming, watching. So we're just going to do playing, and there we go. That should be it. You want to do a space after that, by the way. And there we go. Let's restart the bot, load it up, and now it says at the top playing with JS. Also the fortune command still works. Yeah, well, yes it does. Minecraft is cool still. We're gonna ask if it's cool still. You ready? Yes, see, obviously. Right, well, anyway, that's gonna conclude episode 3. This one was a quick one. Just running over something quite basic. We're gonna touch on it later again. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for episode 4. Like, subscribe, blah blah blah. And see you in the next one. Goodbye. People bob.